No floods in the area means better production, better yields for the farmers. My name is Christoffer Bonthron. I'm from Sweden and I work as project manager for the Tullstorp stream project, which is a major water restoration project in southern Sweden. In this area we have reconstructed wetlands and the river course that has been redrained during the last 100 years. We are taking back the wetland areas. It helped the farmers by letting them having a water course that is more flexible, meaning less floods and less effects of the drought periods. We expect and we see lower flooding seasons and less floods, and we also see less nutrients leakage to the Baltic Sea.